what does data science consulting or analytics looks like at Aryng? At Aryng, we have clients from large organizations, Fortune 100, Fortune 500, all the way to smaller organizations, 300 people teams. We have organizations in fintech, in e-commerce, in pharma, in healthcare. It's a very diverse set of industries that we are serving. And the kind of problems that we solve for are very varied as well. So sometimes it's at a business portfolio kind of level. What will drive growth for us next quarter, next 3 years? What is actually getting in our way? To very, very well-defined problem. Our fraud rate is 2.9%. We now want to reduce it to 2.5%. So, and then you're building a machine learning AI model for that. So a wide variety of problems. And within that, we have two broad roles that we're hiring for. Data scientist role gets deployed as part of a data science pod where they work alongside a partner, a customer success, and perhaps an analyst to solve large scale problems. And we are well known, all of us use the same framework called BADIR, BADIR. It's a framework which marries data science with decision science, and it's a rapid fire, accelerated way to solve business problems and drive impact right away. So everybody is using the same BADIR framework. The data scientists use it to build a large scale scalable problem very, very fast. Within 8 weeks, a machine learning model can be built within 12 weeks. And everybody gets trained on BADIR and then gets deployed. And initially, at least for the first couple of analysis, they get to work with me where we make sure that we are driving impact for the clients right away. So that's a data science role. They're using R, Python, whatever it is, scikit-learn, whatever tools of choice. But we are building machine learning, predictive model, ML model, very, very high-end problems. The other role is the analyst role, product analyst, marketing, SQL data analyst, operational analyst. These folks have stronger skills in SQL, but they're amazing problem solver. And they are solving problems as a part of a matrix organization for the client. So for example, if we have 5-people team as analysts deployed as part of our client, they function as part of their data analytics team. And they're solving problems with a smaller time horizon. So like 2 weeks, we are going to solve a churn problem. What is driving churn for us? Hey, what's driving this increase in page load time? Those problems that are ad hoc basis that needs to be solved. Again, they're using the same BADIR framework as well that we all are using. But again, both of these teams, both of these folks are solving high-end, high-value problems. They're also running large-scale experimentation for our clients. So from the analyst team, they're either doing analytics or they're doing A/B experimentation. Again, everybody gets trained on BADIR, everybody gets trained on A/B testing, analytics, and the fundamental foundational business analytics, as well as, and that includes, how to create a business case and sizing and estimation, as well as people who have interest get trained in predictive analytics and machine learning and AI. If this is of interest to you, we are looking for entrepreneurs, analysts. So analysts who are entrepreneurial, who can pick up problems which they haven't solved for before. Because we have BADIR framework supporting them and because they are mentored directly by me, at least in the first couple of analysis, we're also looking for people who want to do end-to-end problem solving, right? They're not like, I'm a SQL analyst, I'll write SQL. I'm a R coder, I'm going to write R. They're about solving problem. How do I build an optimizer? How do I optimize this supply chain problem? How do I figure out top buyers churn? How do I figure out what drives trialers to upgrade? Career development is very, very rapid. They get to work with high value stakeholders, mostly executives and people who are decision makers. So that gives you high exposure to high value problem solving. The other thing this enables is that you get to experience to solve problems end to end. You are no more, solving parts of the problem. You're solving it end to end. The other thing Aryng enables is because we are a boutique data science company, we are always encouraging people to do one primary job, and the other one is developing something which interests them at Aryng. Now, some folks write blogs, other folks do hiring. The other folks are doing some visual design. We always ask that folks pick up one additional stuff that will help Aryng. Marketing, we have some folks, analysts who love marketing. So they're part of the broader marketing team as a dotted line. So this is an opportunity to start building an organization from ground up. Help me grow the organization from ground up. The other thing is the culture at Aryng. We are very non-hierarchical. So everybody is sort of, be kind, be helpful, do your part to help others and empower others. That sort of is our philosophy. And we are all of the time, we are using our Badr framework. There's a first framework is called business question. There's a data science and decision science part. We are using decision science quite a bit. When we have a fellow analyst asking us for help, we ask them, what is it that you're really looking to do? And so on. So there's a very, very collaborative environment. It's also because all of the team is remote. There's a lot of flexible time that folks have. There's a 4 or 5 hours of overlap with our clients. But outside of that, our clients as well as other team members that you're working with, outside of that, you have time to spend on your own, which a lot of folks like. Also remote working, you can remote from wherever you like, whatever is most convenient for you. So these are some of the perks that you get to have. You also get to define what kind of problems you want to solve. There's no dearth of problems that we are looking to solve for our clients. There's just so much opportunity. So for example, we have an analyst who joined who is interested in machine learning and predictive analytics. They can get skilled up. All of our analysts are constantly getting skilled up because we have in-house training academy where we are training people on Badr and best practices in machine learning and data science and how to solve problems and various aspects, R, Python, and so on. So that's what a role at Aryng looks like.